Kate's an insurance adjuster for Pink Lake Insurance. She's just gotten a case that was flagged as a large damage claim. She aims to close cases as quickly as possible and ensure a successful outcome for the claimant and her employer. She clicks on the task and is presented with the claim file. She needs to come up to speed quickly, and she uses OpenText Content Aviator to summarize the case. She immediately sees the claim is for a shipment of medical supplies that was damaged because the temperature of the shipment exceeded the recommended maximum temperature. They're claiming $50,000 in damages, and this is why the claim came in as a special large damage claim. She continues to come up to speed, and she asks Content Aviator what is needed to close the case. She's then presented with details that are required. It's time for her to get to work. In the past, Kate would try to weed through thousands of files and documents and painstakingly search for information and details to help her close the case. But now she can use Content Aviator at the workspace level to help with this task. So why not just get right to the point, ask for good examples of closed cases, and see what happens? Now, this is where the OpenText way comes into play. The responses are only curated from the content she has access to. The large language model is used to generate the responses, but we never use the data to train the model, and we also respect content permissions. It seems like Kate has a couple of options for cases to look at. Since her claim is substantial, she asks if any are over $50,000. There was one, and she asked for the number of that case. This demonstrates conversational memory. Content Aviator knows what case she's talking about. Let's ask about the adjuster for that case. We get the adjuster's name. But what about her contact details? This is fantastic. Now, Kate's next step is to contact Crystal to ask for help in closing the case. Kate can even ask Content Aviator to draft this email for her. It seamlessly pulls in details from the case into the note. Since Pink Lake Insurance is a bilingual company, she's going to ask for the email to be written in Spanish too, so she can simply copy and paste it into her messaging system of choice. That was extremely easy. In less than 5 minutes, Kate has received and understood the claim and found the best help from a similar claim. That's a win. Now, let's give a big thanks to Content Aviator. And Kate can also check out the claim that Crystal worked on. We just saw how incorporating generative AI with Content Aviator and an OpenText content platform boosts the efficiency and productivity of knowledge workers through conversational search and summarization at the document and business workspace level. Content Aviator enhances the employee experience by reducing clicks and providing the best context to answer questions, while at the same time ensuring an organization's data remains secure.